Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change text box background color in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just choose in a size or a template that you want to use. Then right after, if you're already onto the editing page, just like me, we're going to go ahead and try to add in a text already. So just head on to the left side corner and click on the text. And then right after, just choose a text style in here. So for example, this one, and we're gonna add in here, text box, just like that. Then right after, we could also try to change the font in here. So let's try to choose in a font that would suit our style. So we could try to use this one and make this bigger a little bit, just like that. Then right after, let's head here onto elements and then we'll type in wireframe bar. So let's simply click onto that, click onto graphics in here, and we just scroll down in here and choose this one. So we can make this one bigger, just like that. And then let's position this onto the back of the text. So it has created a text box effect in here. Let's center that one out. And to change the color for this one, let's choose the colors in here and let's change it. So if you want to go ahead and don't want the gradient effect, then you could go ahead and choose the same color for that. But if you want to add a gradient effect, then you could just simply go ahead and try to experiment onto the different colors that are available in here for that. So let's change the font color for this to white, and this is how it looks like. That is just basically it, how you change the text box background color in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.